Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we have 800. I think we're gonna open some cheap case in GGDROP. So if you guys want to play, don't forget to use my promo code for 11% deposit. So how to use it is very normal. Just go to the wallet and Marcus 11 apply, and you guys have 11% deposit. You guys can play by many ways, by cards, by PayPal, by skin, by Bitcoin, by gift card, by many ways. I don't even know what they are, like open banking, like this. So okay, let's start. Let's see. I think we can try. We can see which cheap case like have the most profit here. So let's see. 2 cent and $2 for this one. Ooh, actually I think is we get profit. Even we spend like, yes, we spend like $2 and 35 cents, but we get like $2 and 52 cents. Yeah, okay. Oh, we can have the soy to Zobricker. Okay, like this one. Vac. Okay. Vac. 11%. $11. Ooh, I thought we get. Oh no, not the fast. Thank you so much. Not the fast. Thank you for. Ooh, we have the knife. Which knife we can get? Ooh, a red combo. Blood pressure, auto tonic, and blue steel. Ooh, obsidian. Oh no, imperial dragon. Okay. The mask. Oh, case hardened. Like laminate. Finish line. Ooh, momentum. We get profit? Yes. Or maybe not. I don't know. Yes, we get profit. It's 45. Ooh. Wow. Okay, let's do some case battle. 1 vs 4. Let's see this. This and this and this. Let's go. And if you guys want to play, don't forget to use my promo code for 11% deposit. Let's see. We can get case from here too, huh? Ooh. Oh, what? I thought we get the most expensive AK. Uh-oh. Agent, come on. Agent. No, we still need $20 more dollar. Ayaya. Let's continue. Case battle 1v3. Let's do some expensive, huh? Expensive. Okay, let's go. Oh, come on, not again. Okay, now we're good. Let's go. Let's see how much we can get. Come on. Ooh. Yes, I like that, agent. Yes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Please. Go a little. I thought we can win this. Honestly. Guys, honestly. Oh. Okay. I think we have the rest. We can do this. We can do some upgrades. Let's start with this one. Okay. One more. I think we can do one more. One more. And then we upgrade all the rest. Okay. Let's go. Let's see, we start from 800. Let's go from 800. We can get just this up in 3, 2, 1. Yes sir. And thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to use my promo code for 11% deposit. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.